Hello students, today we are going to cover future perfect simple on page 65 in unit 6. Future perfect simple. Before we start, let's divide the title of this rule or this grammar, future and perfect. So in this rule we are going, or in this grammar we are going to deal with two tenses, future and perfect. Future, which means this this action will be completed in the future, and perfect, which means that this action has started in the present time, but when it will finish in the future. So if we have here a timeline, this means that the tense started here, has started here, and hasn't finished yet, but it will finish in the future. Again, it has started in the present time and it will finish in the future. The most important keyword for this rule, which is by plus any period of time, like by next hour, by next July, by next time. Here we have, like in the examples, we have by the time you read this letter, I will have left the country. The formation or the rule of this grammar, we will have subject plus will, which is related to the future, plus have, perfect, plus past participle, which is verb 3. So this is the main rule for this grammar. Will plus have plus past participle. Like here, by next summer, they will have finished building their house. We understand, as we said previously, by is the key word plus any period of time, by next summer. We understand from this sentence that they have started building their house, but they will finish when? In the future, in summer. Okay? So the same thing here, they started in the present time building their house, but they will have finished or completed building their house in the future. Okay? And here other examples. By next July for the future, by next July, I will have known my best friend for 10 years. Here we have another keyword, by, and we have also for. For, which means that I haven't finished my friendship with my friend. My friendship is still going. This friend still is my friend until now, and she or he will be my friend in the future also. Okay? Here we have period, and here also another period of time. Okay? And here the examples the same, but here they are telling us instead of will, we can use going to. By next July, instead of saying I will have known my best friend for 10 years, I can say by next July, I am going to have known my best friend for 10 years. As we know, going to be is or will be like is, are, am. Because here we have I, we are going to say I am going to have. So here, instead of this I'm going to, we can use instead of this what? Will. Okay? And this is here, as we said before, the future perfect simple. In your workbook, page 129, we have a box here that it tells you about the affirmative rule, subject plus will have past participle. Here, like the example, by the time or by 5 o'clock they will have left. Okay? And the negative, we are going to search, as we know previously, we are going to search for the first helping verb, which is here will, and we are going to add to will what? Not. So here it will become, we are not going to say he will have not. No, it will be he will not have passed his exam. Okay? And for the interrogative, which is the question, we are going to switch. we're going to switch between the subject and will. So it will become will I, will you, or will she or will he, okay? Plus have or has, plus past participle. And here for the short answers, of course, it will become like yes, they will, or no, like here, yes, we will, or no, they will not. Okay, so here this box like what? Like the short or the, we can say the summary of the 4 rules for the affirmative, for the negative, interrogative, and short answers. Okay, yes.